Hello guys, welcome to Banking Bulletin, your one-stop destination for banking exam-oriented news and updates. In today's video, we'll be covering the most important RBI updates from March 2025, curated specially for aspirants preparing for banking and financial sector exams. These updates are not only relevant for current affairs but also crucial for interview rounds, especially for roles like probationary officer or credit officer or financial analyst. So let's get started with the RBI news highlights from March 2025. 1. Reversal of risk weight increase for NBFC loans. RBI reversed the increase in risk weights for bank loans to NBFCs, effective April 1, 2025. This move is aimed at boosting credit flow after a decline in lending from 15%, 2023, to 6.7%, 2024. Lower risk weights allow banks to set aside less capital, improving liquidity. 2. Regulations at a glance. Handbook for Cooperative Banks. RBI released a comprehensive handbook covering licensing, branch expansion, governance, credit risk, interest rates, mergers, and resolution mechanisms. The aim is to simplify regulatory understanding for cooperative banks. 3. Financial literacy campaigns with NCFE. RBI and the National Center for Financial Education, NCFE, launched multiple campaigns to enhance financial literacy, RBI कहता है, for promoting safe banking practices. FAME, Financial Awareness Messages, Booklet. National Strategy for Financial Education, NSFE, initiatives. 4. On tap, Regulatory Sandbox Cohort on Climate Change. RBI announced a new cohort under its Regulatory Sandbox focused on climate change risks. The initiative supports innovations in sustainable finance and includes the Greenathon campaign to spread awareness about green financing. 5. Digital Transformation Award 2025. RBI won the Digital Transformation Award 2025 for its Prava and Sarthi systems, which are recognized for digitizing regulatory applications and enhancing workflow efficiency. 6. India-Mauritius MAO on trade in INR and MER. RBI and the Bank of Mauritius, BOM, signed a Memorandum of Understanding to facilitate trade in Indian Rupee, INR, and Mauritian Rupee, MER, aiming to lower transaction costs and deepen economic cooperation. 7. Revised Priority Sector Lending, PSL, norms. Increased PSL limits for housing loans and renewable energy projects. Urban Cooperative Banks, UCBs, now have a revised PSL target of 60% of adjusted net bank credit, ANBC. 8. Penalties on banks for regulatory violations. HDFC Bank fined 75 lakh rupees for KYC violations. Punjab and Sindh Bank fined 68.20 lakh rupees for compliance failures. 9. ATM withdrawal charges revised. RBI permitted banks to raise ATM withdrawal charges to 23 rupees per transaction beyond the free limit, effective May 1, 2025. 10. US becomes top source of inward remittances. As per the RBI's March 2025 bulletin, the US has overtaken the UAE as the top source of inward remittances to India. Advanced economies such as the US, UK, Canada, Australia, and Singapore now contribute more than Gulf countries. 11. FAT Private Sector Collaborative Forum, PSCF, 2025 to be held in Mumbai from March 25 to 27. Hosted by the RBI and Ministry of Finance. It underscores India's leadership in the global fight against money laundering and terrorist financing. Inauguration. FATF President Eliza De and Madrazo presided by RBI Governor Sanjay Malhotra. India's delegation led by Vivek Agarwal. 12. Appointment of new RBI Executive Director. Indranil Bhattacharya appointed as Executive Director. He previously served as advisor in the Monetary Policy Department of RBI. 13. WMA limit for H1 FY26. RBI set the Ways and Means Advances, WMA, limit at 1.5 trillion rupees for the first half of FY26 to manage short-term cash flow mismatches of the government. 14. IMF's FSSA report on Indian banks. The IMF's Financial Sector Stability Assessment, FSSA, report, released by RBI, urges Indian banks to adopt IFRS 9 accounting standards, improve credit risk management, strengthen loan supervision and collateral valuation, That wraps up all the major RBI updates from March 2025. Make sure to revise these points before your exam or interview. They could be the game changer between a good and a great score. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Banking Bulletin for more exam-focused financial updates. Also, drop a comment below if you'd like us to cover any specific topic. We're here to help you crack it. Thanks for watching, and all the best for your upcoming exams.